Okay guys, so I tried this one on. This one's super cute, and I feel like I do like this one more because my girls already like make like the dress like how do I say, like my girls support the dress itself, so like really I don't even have to worry about with this, but this is so cute and I love it. I wish they had varieties of colors like this and like blue and different shades, but I don't know, I do need dresses, so we'll see. This would have been so cute, but it's too tight. Like you can literally see the V right there. And yeah, no. And then in the back, I don't like the lining in the back. And then when I tried to put it on, it was literally like tight to pull it up. When I was trying to pull it up, it was really too tight. So yeah, I don't know. It's super cute. If it didn't have the lining and if it wasn't so tight here, it definitely would work. But the top is obviously good, but it's just the bottom that kind of feels like a little, I don't know, I don't like it. It feels a little tight, but it is cute though. I don't know. Okay guys, so literally I found this orange romper and it's so cute. I literally love it. I hope you guys can hear me for real, but yeah, I love this color on me and it brings me out. The only thing is I would have to tie the sides or like wear like heels or something with it, but this is so cute and I love the color. Okay guys, so this one's super cute. It's kind of giving cheetah vibes, but also girly vibes at the same time. And I really, really love this one too. It has pink in it. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna get it. Okay guys, so I literally got a pink dress. Okay you guys, I don't know if you can hear me. Literally, I tried on a bodysuit. They have a pink version of this and I'm gonna try it on. And I have a couple dresses, so I'm gonna show you guys. Okay guys, so this one is like just like the pink one. It fits the same way. I'm definitely gonna get it because I don't have anything that's green. Okay guys, so this one's just like the other one kind of, except this one is not super tight and it doesn't have a lining in the back. This is so cute. I think I'm gonna get this one. I just need to find like an orange type of dress, but I don't know, we'll see. But I'm loving this. I'm loving this so much.